Okay, so this is the second trade taken today, 30th April 2024, and this is Indian stock market. Stock name is NTPC, and as you can see here, price is coming from this type of inefficiency or zone, whatever you want to say. That is not very important. What is important is it is reaching towards this swing high, and in between we don't have any inefficiency or any other swing high. So therefore, this is a low resistance liquidity type setup, and the nearest drawn liquidity or target is this swing high. So, and this is the previous day candle, that means 29th April. And so based on that, we are bullish. And so in the next day, let us see what happens. So this is the next day chart. So from the morning itself, we see that price is falling and falling, like, and we just try to see the best discount area possible. That is, we find here this order blocks in our 15-minute chart, and so until this point we have nothing to do. We can sell here, but actually our daily bias is bullish, so I was not selling. And finally, in this area, I also find this 5 minutes order block, and here we see that none of this down close candle actually closed below this order block, and in fact it started reacting from here with this big push towards the upside, creating a fair value gap. So until this point, these highs were created, lower high, lower high, lower high, this is also lower high, and then suddenly this is higher high. Therefore, this was our market structure shift, and so, and this is our breaker block. This is our breaker. So combining this, we take somewhere in the middle, the entry point. So this was our fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, and we entered somewhere from here, 361.5. We were targeting this point, but ultimately after 2 p.m. it started becoming too much sideways, like consolidating too much. So at about 240, I exited without having any expectation of getting this further. So it was like 1:1 trade. So my entry was from here. Stop loss was below here, and what we achieved is so I think my stop loss was here. So it was 1.5 or 1.2, something like that. So this was a half profit, partial profit. But the previous trade, that is the PFC, Power Finance Corporation, was a winner, 2.5 reward to risk. And this was just 1:1. So ultimately, the overall day was 3.5 or 4:1, like that. So that's it for today.